and more than 30 centimeters of snow or drifts in Timmins, Ontario. It's going to be a lot of snow in Timmins, Ontario. Streets and roads and highways will be covered with snow because the low pressure system's heading towards Wisconsin. That's going to bring a lot of snow in Timmins, Ontario. Starting on Friday afternoon, it's going to be blowing and drifting snow, whiteout conditions, reduced visibility in Timmins, Ontario. There's going to be a lot of snow in Timmins, Ontario. If you have anybody living in Timmins, Ontario, be prepared for a snowstorm on Friday afternoon. It's going to be a lot of snow, blowing and drifting snow.
This is Timmins, Ontario.
Whiteout conditions in Timmins, Ontario. It's going to be cold temperatures, lots of snow falling down in Timmins, Ontario. It's going to be a lot of snow in Timmins, Ontario on Friday, October the 4th.
Charge your laptops.
2014.
Charge your iPads.
Timmins, Ontario.
Get some
be prepared.
food.
Winter boots ready, have winter jackets ready. Hats, gloves, and scarves, and ski pants is ready.
Ski pants, hats, and gloves.
Order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. When you're driving the car, take your time driving the car. Be very careful.
Slow down. Driving a car.
Don't get in a car accident in Timmins, Ontario. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready.
Happy spring, everybody!
There's going to be a lot of snow. There's going to be a lot of snow, blowing and drifting snow, whiteout conditions in Timmins, Ontario. Best luck to you. People in Timmins, Ontario, be prepared for a snowstorm on Friday, April the 4th, 2014. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a snowstorm, be safe.
Be safe, everybody, from Timmins, Ontario.